questions.
Yes, what trucks do we demonstrate?
Four-wheel drive, tilt, D100 pickup.
Oh, I thought we were going to show our campers at work. Why don't we use those?
We are using them. How do you think we're getting out to location? Eddie?
Yes, sir.
Did you hire the stunt drivers?
They're all set, sir.
Pay them off. I'll do the driving myself.
Oh, Mr. Knotts, isn't that too dangerous?
It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. W.E. Henley, 1879. Let's move. Let's get started with the first test. What truck is it?
The four-wheel drive, Mr. Knotts.
Oh, yes. That mud-loving power wagon. I want to show this baby's ability to get through anything. All right, set it up right here. I'll be here in just a second.
I know he's trying to demonstrate Dodge trucks at work, but don't you think that's a little ridiculous?
You haven't tried it, don't knock it.
Stay with me now. No telling where I'll go. I'm going to whale this baby till we get footage that sells. Good boy.
Good boy. Be careful out there today now, boss.
Yeah, watch that mutt, boss. Watch it.
Take it easy, Mr. Knotts.
You wait for me?
Careful of the rocks.
Good luck, boss. Ready, camera?
Ready, camera. Ready, camera.
Ready, sound?
Ready, sound. Ready, sound.
Roll it!
Roll them. Roll them.
Boy, you just got to get them in these babies so they can feel the power and ride. Dig in now, honey. Don't let this little mud hole bother you.